Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Lamborghini Aventador step by step. Begin by lightly sketching a basic rectangular shape, which will serve as the foundation for the car's body. Focus on capturing the low, wide profile and the aggressive, angular lines that define the Aventador. This initial step is crucial for establishing the correct proportions and perspective, ensuring your drawing looks accurate and dynamic from the start. Don't press too hard, as these are just guide lines. Now, let's add some of the Aventador's signature details. Carefully outline the distinctive Y-shaped headlights and taillights, which are key to its aggressive look. Next, sketch in the large, functional air intakes and vents along the sides and rear, paying attention to their sharp angles. Finally, draw the prominent wheels, ensuring they are proportionate to the body, and don't forget to include the visible brake calipers for an extra touch of realism. With the main features in place, it's time to refine your drawing. Go over your initial sketch lines, smoothing them out and making them more precise. Focus on defining the sharp body creases and the various aerodynamic elements that give the Aventador its unique silhouette. Don't forget to add the sleek side mirrors and the subtle door lines, which contribute to the car's overall sophisticated design. Take your time to ensure every line is clean and intentional. For the final touches, apply shading to give your Lamborghini Aventador drawing depth and a three-dimensional feel. Think about where light would hit and where shadows would naturally fall, especially on the sharp edges and curves. Highlight reflective surfaces to make the car truly pop off the page. And speaking of upgrades, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a fantastic way to keep your space spotless. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleaning a breeze. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.